This excellent 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This four-door crew cab, short bed truck has comfortable pebble beige seats, and is equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a fluid 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the control of four-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio, an MP3 player and a navigation system. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4-disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.